Hello, my name is Yusuf, and in this video I'll be telling you a little bit about my hiking supplies list generator program. So this program is designed for anybody who's looking to make a hiking supplies list and doesn't know where to start. In version 1, when you run the program, it asks you a bunch of questions, and then it prints a list based on your answers. So if you enter anything other than yes or no, it continues asking you until you enter yes or no. In version 1, if you enter Canada, it adds bear spray to the list, and if you enter America, it adds sunscreen. Here's the bear spray for Canada. And one of the main features is the error checking function, which does not allow you to enter anything that's unexpected. So for a regular error check, it just takes the input and makes sure it's composed of letters. However, for the location, I had to make it a little bit different. So what I did was I made a list of all the components split at the spaces, because the space is not considered a letter. Then I made a for loop that checks if each of the elements is composed of letters. Now for version 2, I made a few improvements. First is a function that creates a text file with the supplies list, and the second is a more elaborate food ingredient list. So over here you just have toast and sardines. And it only allows the input of places in Canada, and it adds a French dictionary to the supply list if the place is in Quebec. So I did those last two improvements by using a database I found online with all the places in Canada. Yes. So let's say enter Mexico. Montreal. So here's French dictionary, Montreal. Now I had a few ideas for improving the program. The first would be to make an input check function because, as you can see, it is a bit repetitive here. There's no and there's yes. Enter yes or no. And then the second would be to make a better clothing list. So over here it just says extra clothing. Maybe it would be based on the weather, something like that. And then make a more elaborate meal plan. You'd be bored just eating the same thing every day. And getting the weather forecast from an API would be interesting, because then that could also help with the clothing list. Then another improvement would be to make a better formatted file. Right now it's just formatted like this. And then maybe getting a map of the area from a database would be interesting, so that you wouldn't have to go online and find a map. Yep, that's all. Thanks.